to make easy homemade karaage. I asked on my Instagram story if you like karaage, but some people said they don't even know what it is. So that's why I'm making this video for you. Karaage is Japanese style fried chicken nuggets. Let's get started. So I have chicken breast, but you can use chicken thighs or chicken tenders. And I have them cut into small chicken nugget pieces. My mom cut them because if you don't want to touch raw chicken, you don't have to. So I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, a little of salt and pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let's pour everything into the chicken. We do it in the Ziploc bag so you don't have to use your hands. Sake, don't spill. Salt and pepper. Here's a kitchen hack. Here's a kitchen hack. You can get a cup or a container, anything, and press the garlic. Crunchy. See how easy it peels off? Enough! 1 jalapeno! Perfect. Let's close the Ziploc and marinate. Garlic is sticky, so after this, I'm gonna wash my hands. Perfect, now I'm gonna go wash my hands. And marinate it for 15 minutes. Time to fry the karaage. So all you need to fry it is potato starch. But if you don't have potato starch, you can use cornstarch. The trick is you must take the chicken out and pat it on the paper towel. Chicken. I love karaage. It's so good. Do you like karaage? Pinky is my stuffed animal. Now just patting them dry. Time to fry. We're gonna fry it at a medium heat. And coat both sides of the karaage with the potato starch or cornstarch. It's gonna be so crispy. This is how I make sure my heat is ready. See how it's sizzling? That means it's ready. So let's add the chicken in there. Gently put all the karaages in the oil. Make sure to spread them apart. It smells so good. So we're gonna let it fry for a few minutes, but when the chicken floats up to the top, then we gotta crank it to high. When I come back from school, I asked my mom if we can make karaage for dinner because it's so good. Sizzle. With all those bubbles. Let's crank it up to high so they can get extra crispy. So my mom is gonna take them out. They look nice and crunchy. The color is golden brown. So I'm gonna finish frying all of these. Ta-da! This is how my karaage turned out. Now it's time to taste my favorite part. This is how I eat it, with lemon and Kewpie mayo. I already have the mayo right here, so I'm just gonna add the lemon. Now dip it into mayo. Taste! It's crunchy. The smell is very nice. Everything is amazing. And the veggies, you need to have some veggies. Cucumber. Now you know how to make my homemade karaage. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe down below. Catch it on the cheek. Bye.
You have potato starch on your forehead.
I do.
Okay.